According to the Koti Rudra Samhita of the Shiv Mahapuran, Shankar appeared in Kamrup for everybody's well being. In the Kamrup region, Shankar manifested to vanquish the demon Bhima. Demon Bhima was the son of Kumbhakarna and Karkati. One day, Karkati informed her son about Rama's conflict with Ravana, which caused the destruction of their family, including Kumbhakarna. Motivated by a desire for vengeance, Bhima sought Brahma's favor and underwent rigorous penance for 1,000 years. Brahma blessed him with unparalleled valor. Bhima waged war against Indra and other gods and later defeated Vishnu as well. During this period, Kamrup was ruled by King Sudakshana. Bhima defeated him and captured his kingdom, jailing the king in an isolated place. This king was an ardent devotee of Shiva. He would make a shivling with mud every day and worship it along with his wife Dakshina. The demon conquered the entire earth, expelling all the gods. The gods, including Brahma and Vishnu, were suffering greatly. They all sought refuge with Shankar. They pleased Shiva by worshipping him. Vishnu was suffering greatly. They all sought refuge with Shankar. They pleased Shiva by worshipping him. Pleased, Shiva manifested before them and asked them to seek a boon. The gods sought the boon of slaying the demon Bhima. Shiva granted them this boon and asked them to speak to his devotee, the imprisoned king of Kamrup, Sudakshana. So this boon was fulfilled at the earliest. Shankar and his Ganas began living secretly near the king of Kamrup, Sudakshana. King Sudakshana's devotion to Shiva grew stronger. However, someone reported to the demon Bhima that the king appeared to be performing dark magic against him. Armed with his dagger, Bhima went to prison and demanded that the king reveal the truth of his worship. King confessed his devotion to Shiva. Bhima was furious and called Shiva a fool who couldn't recognize himself. He accused Shiva of being a beggar and a yogi who had no connection to his devotees. Bhima even suggested that the king should become his devotee, but king refused. Enraged, Bhima threw his dagger at the king, and suddenly Shiva emerged from the mud shivling and reduced the entire army of demons to ashes, leaving no trace of Bhima's ashes. Thus, Jyotirlinga Bhim Shankar was created in Kamrup. This Jyotirlinga is said to grant every wish of devotees and protect them from every misfortune.